How to run Disk Defragmenter on Windows 11. Disk Defragmenter is a tool that helps organize the files on your hard drive, making them more efficient to access and improving overall system performance. By running Disk Defragmenter regularly, you can help your computer run more efficiently and prevent it from slowing down. So let's get started. To open Defragmenter, click on the Start menu. Type Disk Defrag in the search bar. Then click on the Defragment and Optimize Drives app that appears in the search results. Once Disk Defragmenter is open, it will display a list of drives that can be defragmented. Select the drive you want to defragment and click on the Optimize button. Disk Defragmenter will begin analyzing the drive to determine how much fragmentation is present. This may take several minutes depending on the size of the drive and the amount of fragmentation. Once the analysis is complete, Disk Defragmenter will display a report that shows you how much fragmentation is present and how much space can be recovered by defragmenting the drive. Click on the Optimize button to start the defragmentation process. The defragmentation process may take several hours depending on the size of the drive and the amount of fragmentation. It's important not to interrupt the process once it's started, as this can cause data loss or corruption. After the defragmentation process is complete, Disk Defragmenter will display a report that shows the status of the drive. Ideally, the drive should be showing as 0% fragmented, which means that it's been successfully defragmented. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial reviewer channel for more videos.